All right, Matt, thanks for catching us up. Well, President Trump's trying to prevent a potential meat shortage in this country. That's why he signed an executive order to have meat processing plants stay open. We've seen more than a dozen close down, actually, after employees tested positive for COVID-19. That includes the Tyson plant in Logansport, which is at the center of Cass County's outbreak. Also, the Indiana Packers plant over in Delphi. Now, the closure of these plants is having really a ripple effect with millions of market-ready animals that are set to be euthanized. And grocery stores could see a shortage on beef, pork, and chicken by the end of the week. However, U.S. leaders are warning people not to start panic buying, which could only make the situation worse.
And a lot of people are still talking about Vice President Mike Pence's recent visit to the Mayo Clinic, where despite the clinic's policy to have everyone wear a mask inside, the vice president wasn't wearing one. Alyssa is live with the reaction this is getting on social media. Good morning.
Julia, good morning. There's a whole lot of reaction to this. We posted this story on our Facebook page, and so far it's received more than 500 comments. We showed you the video of Vice President Mike Pence's visit, but now I want you to take a look at this picture. It's very similar to the video that you saw, but we'll talk about what's going on here. You can see the vice president surrounded by people wearing masks, and here he was meeting with a Mayo employee who has recovered from COVID-19 and is now donating plasma. The VP told reporters that he's tested for the virus on a regular basis. And since he doesn't have the coronavirus, he thought it would be a good opportunity to be able to speak to these researchers, these incredible healthcare personnel, and look them in the eye and say thank you. Now, let's get to your thoughts on this. Rosemary says he shouldn't have been allowed in without following the requirements, and this is a slap in the face to healthcare providers and patients. And then David writes, he doesn't really care. He went on to say he's a big boy and can make his own decisions. Remember, you can join in on the conversation, sharing your thoughts. We want to hear from you. Just use the hashtag 13Sunrise. You could post your comments on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, whatever your preference is. Ben?
All right, Alyssa, thanks so much. And with testing now happening, Indiana's looking more at gradually reopening businesses. CNBC's now reporting that Simon Malls, based right here in Indy, is planning to open their malls by May 2nd. According to that report, Castleton Square Mall, Circle Center Mall, the Fashion Mall, Greenwood Park Mall, and Hamilton Town Center are all slated to open on Saturday. And Fiat Chrysler plants in Kokomo and Tipton are now pushing back their plans to start reopening. Our news partners at the Kokomo Tribune tell us the plan was to begin next Monday, but the company says it's just still too risky. So the two factories have been shut down since March 18th after the big three automakers agreed to temporarily close.
And the latest numbers now show there are more than 1 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 here in the U.S. Recent numbers show a total of 1,047,000 cases, including over 57,000 deaths. Officials say the numbers have increased due to improved testing to detect the disease. New York, New Jersey, and Massachusetts are among the states hit hardest by this virus. We're getting a closer look at the impact the virus is taking on first responders. In Marion County alone, there have been 31 IMPD officers, 28 firefighters, and 8 EMS employees test positive for COVID-19. Thankfully, most of them have recovered. And fitness clubs are now getting ready to reopen when they get the green light from Governor Holcomb. At downtown's Orange Theory, body temperatures will be taken at the door. Face masks will be required and class sizes will be cut by 2/3. Members also won't be able to take showers or use lockers there either.